What is up, guys? It's your girl JazGotKicks, and we're back with another video. Today we're gonna do a Vans and Simpsons collab, and I know this is my third video. I have one more and then we'll move on to the Jordans and Nikes, because that's what I'm really trying to do. I'm trying to do live cops. I'm trying to do sneaker reviews on Nikes and Jordans, so we're gonna do that. So without further ado, bro, you guys gotta give me that drum roll. We got the box, baby. We got the box. So I'm gonna just open that off of camera. We got the Vans Simpson box, guys. You know how it's looking. Blue skies, white clouds, so the Simpsons right there, and Vans. Got the house. Got Moe's. Donut shop with a police car. And we got that. Oh, and you can see the shoes I got. All right, so let's just open this up. Ooh, it even smells good. You know that like fresh sneaker smell, bro? They smell bomb. All right, I'm gonna let y'all look at it. Beautiful, right? Beautiful. So I'm gonna take them out for you guys. These are actually my first pair of slip-ons, actually. Look at that. Let me move my hand out the way. And let's just say they look amazing. Look at them. Look at these. So on the shoe, you got the black outline right around there. You got the little white elastic thing. I don't even know what it's called, but yeah. And obviously you have all the Simpson characters on every part of the shoe. So it's like your shoe's like yellow with like all these different colors, like blue because of the blue shirts, white because of the white shirts, and you have everyone. Like you have Homer, you have Bart, Maggie, all of them. If you can name all these characters in 5 seconds, I'll give you $1 million. Oh wait. Okay, time's up. You lost. So let's just take the shoe holders, I think that's what I call them, out. All right, so here they are. You can see the insoles. It's the blue sky with the clouds. It's the same as the box. It says the Simpsons on it. And same for this side too. These are pretty sick. Like, I love these. I never had a slip-on Vans before because I just don't think they'll look good on my foot. But today we're gonna try. And these are comfy cush. I didn't know that at first, but I see the little tag. So we got our first comfy cush Vans, so that's pretty sick too. I like how it has all the characters on there, and the shoes kind of like, the shoes really colorful too. So it's like, if you wanted to wear yellow, I wonder if I think you probably can, because like the shoes like basically yellow because all the characters are yellow. Like if you really look at it, like, you feel me? It's like yellow. I mean, it's like, yeah. All right, let's get into this little try on. I have socks on, but like they don't really look good, so I'm gonna say, so if y'all like see me walking with no socks on in them, don't be like, yo, she ain't got no socks on with the Vans. Like, yeah, they ain't looking good. Like, they ain't looking so hot. Look at them. Damn! Look at them, bro. They ain't looking so hot. So I'm gonna take off my socks. I don't got no show socks with me. I don't know where they are, so I'm gonna take them off. It's just for this video, guys. Don't worry. I'm gonna wear my shoes with socks. I mean, actually, I don't know. Do you wear slip-ons with socks? Answer that in the comments, because I don't know. I don't have slip-ons. So do you wear no socks, or do you wear no show socks? If you wear Vans, let me know what you do for slip-ons. 'Cause I don't know. All right, bro, let's get into it. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Love you. Bye.